Here we have another algebra problem. It's a problem from June 2020. It is question 18, paper 1, AQA specification. The problem is related to simultaneous equation. We have two linear equations and we are asked to solve the equation. Now you can turn the video off, try to do yourself, and then turn it on again, the video on, and compare your solution with mine. So the simultaneous equation can be solved by any method you know about. So you can solve it by substitution, you can solve by elimination, or you can just graph the two equations and then you find solution. Now, it's your choice. But if you want to do by substitution, well, I think you can avoid doing that. You can avoid using fractions. So people usually don't like to do using fractions. So we are going to choose different way. By graphing, it's a bit longer, but I think that the more appropriate method to solve this is by elimination. So what we do, we'll rewrite our equation. So we're going to rewrite the second equation by transferring 4x into the left side by changing the sign. So we rearrange the equation. And this is what we get after you do that. So, like I said, I transfer 4x, excuse me, from right to left, changing the sign. So the second equation becomes minus 4x plus 2. Now, eliminating one of the letters, x or y, you can choose whatever you like. So I choose to multiply first equation by 2, and I'll get the same term in x in the first as in the second equation. And this is what we get. Now, it's obvious what we have to do. Just add both equations side by side. And we're going to obtain a linear equation in y, because x is disappearing. And that is tan y equals minus 25. Easily now we can find that y, which is minus 2.5. Then it follows we can substitute to these values, y equals minus 2.5, in one of the initial equations. I choose to place it in the first equation, and we get 2 times 2x plus 4 times minus 2.5 equals -9. And then you do the calculation there, and you get 2x equals 1. And then you have x equals 1 divided by 2, it's 0.5. So the answer for this simultaneous equations are x equals 0.5 and y equals -2.5. And that's all you have to do to get your 4 marks. Very easy and quick.